Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. My name is Morgan Christine. I make cleaning videos, organizing, decorating, undecorating, party cleanup. I do hauls, I cook, I bake. I do it all over here. Give me your opinion on ideas for me to do on my channel. I'm open to anybody's opinion, just like my own. Of course, this is my channel, my opinion, but I also want to have your guys' feedback on maybe what you guys want to see. I will be doing a video of my wedding, which happened on July 21st. Thank you all that told me congratulations on here and on Instagram. Thank you so much. That was part of our cake. We're freezing it for our first year anniversary. Now that we're done with the honeymoon, kind of getting back into routine. I'm sorry I haven't posted a whole lot of content on here. It's just I've been really busy. I've been dealing with a lot of mentally things. My anxiety and depression has really been eating at me. If you guys want to know my story on my anxiety and depression and stuff, just let me know in the comments and I will get it out for you guys. Maybe this coming month. My daughter's birthday is also at the very end of August, and we're doing a party for her at the end of next month. Just a small little get together of the closest family members and stuff at our home and stuff. And I'm going to do a decorating video on that. There's a lot of other content that I have kind of stored a little bit on what I want to do, but today's video is just a freezer and fridge deep clean. Just get ready for new groceries for next month. I'll be going grocery shopping on, I think, Wednesday, I believe it is. So you got a week from today. I will be going to the grocery store, but I like to do that excuse me, write down to a list of things that we have in the freezer for dinners and lunches, and also write down what can be used up in the fridge before grocery shopping so we can get stock of it up. Our freezer was pretty nasty. There's a stain up on top of where the door top is. I couldn't get that off. It's stained. But everything else I cleaned really good. I reorganized some things, especially in the refrigerator. The one lemon thing that you guys see me dumping into another container, don't buy those. They're from Family Dollar. They were $5. They're junk. Please do not buy them. I don't know if the ones that I got 2 of them and they were both defective. They leaked after some time of being in the fridge, and that's what you guys see me doing the camera with, and showing you guys. And the hard spot that I was trying to get up off of the glass part in the fridge, that was because of that. So I just put our daughter juice in a pitcher in the door and done it like that because it got really to be annoying. Let's put it that way. But yeah, tell me guys what content you guys want to see in the comments. I'm open to any opinions. I also collab. So if you're a small YouTuber and I am and you want to collab, sure. I am open to it. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and send me a message for it, and I certainly will. And I'm just going to shut up and let you guys watch the rest of the video and also listen to music. Let me know if you guys like the music that I choose for my videos, because I actually like hearing those opinions. I'm open to all opinions. But yes, I think I'm wearing the same dress as I was the day I done this freezer, because I done the freezer like a couple days ago, and today I done the refrigerator. I'm wearing the same dress. I did wash it, but I love this dress that I'm wearing in this video because it is super comfy. It's stretchy. But yes, don't mind my tan lines. I hope you guys have a great day. Today is Wednesday. I am officially been married 1 week, and this will be posted today. So hello, midweek video. I don't know if there will be a video out Friday. I am not sure on that, because probably going to be busy unless I do like a vlog style type of video. But oh, there's my husband. And yes, he just got back from the store and stuff. But I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe if you are new. Remember that notification bell in the right hand corner. I post usually 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But since I'm getting back into a schedule, right now it's kind of like 1 or 2 times a week. I am so sorry for that. Just been really hectic. But yes, I love you all. Thank you so much for all my subscribers, for sticking around with me. I appreciate every single one of you.
you are only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Throwing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Stay, 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 stay,
Love